Also for pomo, so for pomo.
My brother, Edu Sabre and I matam wobo, the Kebajubo, Bajobo. Zia de Frunania be Gabi Nankasa and extend the entire Santa region. You didn't tree. What in the comment?
Kufima Menchia, what took a course on him and champagne for Namenchia.
Ezra, 94.1.
80 or 50 Kakake. Kofi Mate, Wadaro, Miami, say Mike, or frame it HHM and meeting, of course, UK. Na Gabi no opportunity Kokasawasi. Or this war, Kobo, Ashanti region MP, sir.
Ezra, 94.1.
A deep rival, Kumasi, 5 interchanges, sir. Na Kufadu by a market say, all Bayama, their faith left to Kumasi. Na notably among them, Uforikrum, the Yera for that time and Koba Baye. I don't know, Yera for compensate near Babe interchange, Amaka dancing. And Nuntina, Okoye Wood Village, Sabana, capital for the one hour, Sab Babe interchange, you know. And I could phone say, and obey your Sabe interchange, yeah. Mempe Babima, Omun Kotna. And when I did
Ezra, 94.1.
Bye. And Yera, a Kufado Baye, no. I'm one quarter where a road minister by Kumasi. Oba, baby, I dinner dancing. Baby, I have a Kwamiche filling station or Mikobi. Now, as some of the 2 guys, Omoba, Omoba, interchange, and Makuma, a new Kumasi. Swame, Angaga dancing, Dodger runabout, Satasa runabout, and a G runabout. Sa enumuna omokatre o ave evien wotwe down the memory lane no change ama okoka na chairman sabozu
94.1
mempene politics ba kokra na so tie me ameka kire no masi anya ye nyina fafi chairman sab ko radio so ye demande promise Akufo-Addo de maaye no na ma ba bontre ba be defend Akufo-Addo say oh, Muntia do the cake cano, or the kid oba, and someone telling our tabano. And the Ditimwana, you are Chairman Sabus. Nadaroma, interchange and Timiama. Now the woman said, the Gabi canon, many are 100%. You know why? Asante region MPs no be a favor on another. Majority, and MPs no go. Asante region Abono, and Benford MPP, I don't know. Now they were looking for favor. Our Akufo-Addo, Obian Beto Kwaka Samoa. Nobaya you Akufo-Addo and him. Ama said or Nensanka. It is a Ukwa now can send be now as some now Wokano, a Babo Santimine, Nanya Nado da. Now it's not 10 against you. Umba Radio so decay. No more can send Basabasa family because them there. Nanado Ebo Santimine Quasia. Na eba o say oni so na MPP communicators sampan no omunyina to man wo gumeso e kan sama ensem fata etiame etise na Gabi akotuna no mutu a eye nukura trodo na obi epe adodode wa na nado amamwo eti ensema na ekoso na nado amamwo bi say obi obekwa kodi konkonsa akoka so odikenya treasure region na o de sewa ban et odike sana wonko se galamse ensem yachi ema eka nyamia fafi aka mehwe menka e wa Asante region na so ni nyina mu no onyame na ni ko ba bia no oda so dimae et ko fi Gabi asem na okan se bomo chiche be efinsu aso be ka so odan chema wu a ye nyina achinye eti MPP ekodu bra mo ko prime minister Monko for Mompam Womunina, all the sitting MPs, any executives, regional, national, woman free, and yet the MPP party, no by a corner, Amagana for Aquabama. All the regional, national, constituency executives, Mompam, yeah, Womuna Amwa, Santa Manchester,
Na mene wo kasa sisi odike, are you not surprised? Say MPs could be a cause for not looking at the central development of the region. Now Ombeka say, oh, interchange crowd here for now montchain and we ya yan konkore yan ya mfichi kwan and na manfo be say yan ya bo adwuma. Na omo awie a omo say twa omo aba be kase na do kra na ye kasa na ontie ye can development kwa no mfiye. So why would the MPs neglect interchange? Say interchange by anke no so beboa omo.
Ovie asa no pa we ya say asemi wa munyi ho dance e kwa twa bi dia dance. Anya MPs na yewura ye no esu bi MP friends Eugene original say Kenoforiata say Ghana ni party no etumu ye nyan kan mom na ye fa nkoto na nado anim ni empam no MPC 80 something no mo call ye no na bia say ta ye ho akọ esumase akọka kire na nado no say ya wiwi animu no ye mo ntie o ma kan ye na dwuma etumu ye the most useless MPs ever.
When you say most useless, I think it's overboard.
Yes, because they deserve it. Kofi, anya di atemo. Say you can say you should do why there. Ni enya results for we useless. Do you understand? Kofi Asante
94.1.
So like I said, o ma mo region nana.
Kofi Asante mi buso asem. O konso na o tie ni mu no. Papa na o fa waduma no. O yusu e de apenipa or you do at your commercials, or you do at your patronage of your station. It is a Kotu Babina say, Sanya Manina Ma, or Pamwa, the Channel Dream say, Kofi Asante useless. A drum demand, no, a drum not be useless so bayano, a drum went to me, and yet I went to me, and you turn out to be useless. As I'm in my canon. Etukovier. Asa no kra yento sabe na ye mfra no ntoma eno na oka anya
by na context o ka so be useless aje the nipa hunu ne hunu mfa so
no be ide interchange ba o se me mfa ma na do ta say kwa brief for demanding rules na do be ka say wan so obi ansa so on to na ba ma no na people for MPs defenders na do wan kan sa na do just ara no person kire na do I no me na do sa na asanteman ye bibia ka kire na san go for ye bia ni bran ko so na ka ye bia ni bran ko ho so ye ne eto mu ka so na ye ka did we tell them say o mu konko di konkonsa na ye deprive of our development santina ye eto mu ka so ne say o mu represent the constituents. Kofi Asante mo mi aka no kwese o ye sofo Kofi Asante se wadumi ampai asenani kan se de tie na ko de konwan a Kofi people will not get the message clear.
Ezra 94.1.
Region Yimu must blame all members of parliament for failing us.
When you blame they should sack all of them. Blame there is understatement. Yem pam wo mu nyina free o eni kwasa ba kokraka. So who co primary so whatever they should change everybody. And yes, I can't be more now. I was Asante region. I will be uncontrollable.
Kwasi Adodike. I mean, I was on this.